Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing Mailmodo, and if you are looking for best automated interactive AI email software, this is the final destination for you, so make sure to check it out. Also, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefit and reward on the site, so make sure to check that out. So yeah, now coming back to the site, you can see it has a lot of interactive features already advertised on their main page, so you can simply start your campaigns related to your emails, create custom pages for your email marketing and email that type of email listing. So if you are someone who is in the business game using emails, this is going to be really helpful. You can see already you can literally create very nice looking pages, the front pages you can call them, or the landing pages that are going to be making you sales and even creating leads, so you can elevate your revenue with this interactive email session as already monetized and advertised in here. So yeah, I hope you will give it a try if you are into the email game, because this is super awesome. So if you want to book a demo, they have that option as well. On the top of the screen, you can simply enter your basic details, like for example your name, email, and how many subscribers you have. Then they will be asking you to simply book a time or any frame in which you want to simply get your demo, and they will be eventually providing you with that. So make sure to give it a try, and it will be, I hope, landing you guys some leads and sales. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Until next time, make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.